Hey everyone, thanks for coming back to my channel. Um, this video is really going to be a little bit different than the other videos I've had. The other videos I've had are really about programming. I wanted to take some time just to talk about what this channel is really about, and I wanted to do this because it's probably been about maybe now close to a year and a couple months since I have uploaded um, new content. And when I was looking over my content today, I realized that it wasn't very clear what my goals are for the channel and what this channel is about, and also as well, what am I trying to do here? So I wanted to take a couple minutes answer those questions. So first and foremost, what is this channel about? Well, this channel really is about data in general. And what I mean by that is that everything that I do programming wise is all going to be about data. Whether we're going to be using databases, whether we're going to be using Python in order to interact with databases, SSIS to extract out data and to import data, or we might even dive into C sharp as well in order to interact with databases. So this is really going to be a journey on how we can use data, how we can utilize data, and how also businesses are able to use data in order to help to make decisions. And through all of these different videos, that's my goal is to is to give you all that knowledge. So who is this channel for? This would be for anyone who wants to learn coding from a data centric point of view. Remember how I was just talking about this channel is really going to be about data. That's what I really want to focus on. That's what I do for work as well. I work with data um, all day, and that is also as well what I'm passionate about. I really enjoy working with data. I really enjoy SQL and a Python, SSIS, anything that I can utilize data or use a database for, or to basically query things, extract that data. I love doing all of that stuff, and I want to be able to teach y'all how to do that. When will we get new content? I'm really going to try hard in order to upload one video a week. I know it hasn't been that, it hasn't been anywhere near close to that, but I want to get into the habit of doing that because I know that nowadays a lot more people are home because of COVID. So, I mean, if y'all are home, it would probably be helpful if I uploaded more content. That way, y'all would have things to watch if that's the route y'all want to go down. So yeah, that's my goal, and I'm really going to try hard to do that. What are my goals for the channel? So I just noticed an error here. Replace the equal sign with a dash. Um, so so before diving into what my goals are, let me tell you the reason why I created this channel in the first place. When I began programming, this was probably in 2009, 2010, somewhere I think around there. Um, I was looking up at that time, whether it be tutorials, YouTube videos, books, whatever the case is, And it was really difficult, like for me to come across something that was just easy to understand, easy to grasp, something that I could, take some code, whether it's copy it and then just, like, in, paste it, change it up a little bit, and then after that, it just works. Most times, if I copied and pasted, it wouldn't work, and I wouldn't have enough understanding to know then what's happening in terms of really error messages. So, um, so, so really learning programming for me was really, really tough. And so, I don't want it to be tough like for y'all. I want this channel to be somewhere where y'all can go to, whereas all of my videos are really going to be easy to understand, easy to easy to navigate to, and to also as well grasp what the concepts are. I also want to be able to explain the material clearly. A lot of tutorials I've seen can have paragraphs and paragraphs about just like one particular topic, and it's like, do f- for a beginner, is a beginner really going to understand paragraphs and paragraphs of content, or do you just really need to tell them two sentences just really about what it is? So so that's also what I want to try to do, is that I want to try to deliver material clearly. And so if I am also programming in a particular way, I want to be able to justify why I'm doing these things. So, I've been now doing this 8 years or so. Let's call it professionally. Move to production, a whole lot of code. I've also had to as well fix in production a whole lot of code as well. I know what works. I know what doesn't work. I know what the best practices are, and I want to be able to take those things, push them to y'all. And the reason I want to do that is so then that way we as a community can then develop a better code as a whole. And what that means for us is just that when we have code in production, that code then doesn't really then break. Um, Sometimes it does, and so that's okay, because we as developers can can only test for really for like really what we know. If a user does something that we hadn't thought of, our code breaks, that was really, really unexpected. But the best that we can do is to just really try to develop good code. So so yeah, that's what my goals are for the channel. And I wanted to also thank everyone who is currently now subscribed to me. Thanks for doing that. Thanks for being with me. And for those who aren't, um, we're really going to be diving into a whole lot of coding when it comes to data, and this journey is going to be so cool, and I'm so excited um, for this channel. Um, if y'all have anything that you would like me to do that I haven't done so yet when it comes to programming, even if it's going to be about best practices, if it's about maybe interviews, resume writing, please uh, direct message me, leave a comment. Um, and then so if we do have here enough people asking about it, I'll I'll respond. I'll respond here. A YouTube video that is. But yeah, thanks for listening.